Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I make patty puff puff. So guys can see I've already mixed the sauce. Can see I mix flour, sugar, yeast, salt. I mix them together. Can see the way I mix it. You are mixing puff puff. Mix it too light, make it not too watery, make it very light. You can see how it is. They're very light. It's not too watery. After you put everything like this, after you mix it like this, some use warm water to take mix am, some use ordinary water to take mix am. I use ordinary water take mix am. The only thing I will do now, I'll use foil paper to cover it. I'll use foil paper to cover it and leave it like 10 minutes to rise. When the thing rise, then I started frying. It's for patty. Just small chop for patty. So I'll cover it for 15 minutes now to rise. So when I'll fry it, I'll show you the size and the way I'll fry it. Keep watching. So guys, let's check this thing. Wow, can see it's rice. Can see the way it rise. Can see the reason why you allow it to rise is that so that when you fry it, the thing will not look heavy. It will look very light. Can see how you fill the bowl. So I chop onion and pepper to garnish. So the only thing you do, you wash your hand very well and mix it. So when you put your hand, the thing will go down. Can see? It will go down. It will go down. If you put your hand, then you now pour the onion and pepper that I chop. Then you mix them together before you fry it. Can see? Mix it very well. And make sure you wash your hands very well because na hand you use to mix it. Can see? Now mix now. It's time to fry. So guys can see I've already put the vegetable oil on the fire. If you want to fry your puff puff for patty, make sure your oil is hot, but it's not over hot, not to burn. If oil is hot, when you fry it, the thing will soak oil. You yourself won't like it. That is the reason why you're supposed to leave oil in the fire to hot very well before you put your puff. And see. Don't allow the oil to overhot. Because if you overhot, it will burn. This is how you put all of them. Just small chop. Patty puff puff. Can use it for birthday. Can use it for any occasion. Can use it when you are doing wedding. This is how you put it all. So guys can see it. This is how you put them and fry them like cake, like African cake, akara. Can see. Anyone that you done, you turn it. So guys can see. This is how you fry them all. So it remain small to brown. This is small puff puff. You can call it small chop for patty. You can call it small puff puff for patty. When you have birthday party, you also use it for wedding. You take serve your guests for reception. You use it as small children birthday. You can use it for children also. Those children will like this kind of thing. So just have your sugar, flour, yeast, salt, then vegetable oil, and mix it. Then you started fry your small chop puff. So I'll off the light now. I'll pack it. And see, I did do plenty of it. And see it now. It's for party. That's why I do it plenty like this, because it's for party. You want to use it for party, for birthday party. And see how plenty it is. So I'll now put it in tray now. I'll show you. So guys can see how it be. It's very easy to do. Can use it for party, can use it for children birthday. So can fry it. You have your sugar, your flour, yeast, salt, and vegetable oil. Can do your small chop puff for party or birthday. Can also use it for your wedding session for people. So that is all for small chop puff for party. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and share it to a loved one. So this is how you be. Can use fork, can use hand to pick it like this. Very small. Can even put all of them in the mouth. It's a very sweet snack. So please kindly subscribe to my channel. Share it to a loved one. See you in my next video. I love you all.